Imagine entering a place and feeling that time is moving strangely. Minutes feel like hours, or hours pass like seconds. The strange thing is, science actually confirms that time isn't constant as we think. In fact, it can slow down, speed up, and even bend. Today, we'll explore the scientific truth behind what some call time storms. Is time really constant? For many years, humans believed that time moved at the same speed everywhere. But at the beginning of the 20th century, Albert Einstein completely changed this idea with his theory of relativity. The theory states that time isn't constant. It's affected by speed and gravity. This means that two people can experience the passage of time very differently. Real-time dilation. One of the strangest things scientifically confirmed is time dilation. The closer an object moves to the speed of light, the slower time passes for it compared to what's around it. This isn't science fiction. It's been proven through precise experiments using atomic clocks, airplanes, and satellites. Even GPS systems need to constantly correct for the effects of time to function accurately. Gravity and time. It's not just speed, gravity also affects time. The closer you get to a very massive object, such as a neutron star, a black hole, time slows down. This phenomenon is known as gravitational time dilation. That's why time near black holes seems drastically different from time on Earth. Why do humans experience time distortion? But what about the strange feeling that time sometimes speeds up or slows down? Psychologists believe that the brain itself influences our perception of time. When we are scared, stressed, or in dangerous situations, the brain begins processing information faster, so it seems to us that time slows down. That's why some people describe accidents or dangerous moments as having happened in slow motion. Solar storms and their impact. There are also real-world space phenomena that affect technology and precise time, such as solar storms. When the sun releases massive bursts of charged particles, they can affect satellites, communication systems, GPS signals. This is why space agencies constantly monitor solar activity. Black holes. The strangest places for time are black holes. Near the event horizon, the gravitational pull becomes so strong that time seems to slow down considerably compared to a distant observer. This concept has even been used in films like Interstellar, but it's based on real scientific principles. Is time travel possible? So far, There's no evidence that time travel to the past is possible in the way we see it in movies. However, some physical equations theoretically allow for very complex ideas such as air wormholes, air space-time curvatures. The problem is that practically implementing these ideas seems almost impossible with current technology. Perhaps the strangest thing about the universe is that the time we experience daily isn't actually constant. It's more of a flexible concept, affected by speed, gravity, and even the way our brains work. The question now is, if you could travel through time, would you go to the past or the future? Perhaps time isn't something we move through, but rather something that moves around us.